Hi guys, back with a little more mad scientist tech talk. Got a stack of injectors to go through today. Going through one set of injectors that came out of a car that came in with number 4 rod broken, hole in the block. You know the story. Well, decided to mark the injectors, put them in the machine, make sure I didn't have an injector go down. You know, I'm trying to at least get a good idea of what the cause of the broken rod was. Well, turns out I got the injectors in the machine, ran it, let's see, let's put it on timer. Put it on RPM, put it on 1500 RPMs, got them all set up. I'm gonna switch the camera. All right, got it all set up. Uniformity run. And so far, I thought I would have had a bad injector from all the signs before it. But these are only 1650s, fuel injector clinics, of course. I love these things. Stop. And what do we got? We've got, they're all within, those 2 are damn near perfect. Those 3 are damn near perfect. And we got one that's a little under. But that was in cylinder number 1. The injector in question was cylinder number 4. And it's performing quite well. So, I'll go ahead and drain that. I'm going to go ahead and throw this out there. Guys, if you're running E85 in your cars, take some downtime, pull the injectors, take them somewhere, whether they come to me or not. It doesn't bother me. I want to see you guys service your injectors religiously, okay? I've got tons of injectors around here for testing and whatnot, but when the cars come in with these kind of problems, that's a good place to start. Make sure the fuel is there, make sure the spark was there, and then the last resort, pull the map. Go have the map looked at, you know. Well, this particular car, I may look at the map later down the road, but right now, I don't think that's an issue. Possibly, maybe, who knows. But anyway, all right. Today's Mad Scientist Tech Talk, have your injectors serviced. Even if you're on pump gas, okay? If they've been in the car and you've been running, if you beat the crap out of your car, even if it's just a weekend warrior, pop the injectors out, go have them serviced. You know, send them in, either fuel injector clinic, MA Performance, send them to me. It doesn't matter. Have them serviced, cleaned, tested. You'll save yourself a lot of heartache down the road. And I can't stress this enough. And you know it's serious when I break out the lab coat and stuff, because let's get this shit done. You know, I'm tired of seeing, avoidable things happen. Simple things can be done, taken care of, whatnot. In fact, I'm gonna do a little onesie love today. I'm gonna run them injectors through just to make sure they're popping nice and clean. I still got a lot of work to do on that one. I ran the 8-second Evo injectors through, sent them out, had them tested. Had one that was way underperforming, and they serviced it, replaced one. So it was well worth the money spent. You know, it sure beats $140. Sure beats spending $700, $800, $900 to replace a whole set of injectors, or even $10,000 to replace a whole motor. So, Mad Scientist Tech Talk, service them injectors. Even if they don't come to me, send them out. Have them checked. You'll save yourself a lot in the heartache. All right. See you guys back later. Back to work.